Can't print on an HP Plus or Instant Ink enrolled printer. If your printer is signed up for HP Plus or you have enrolled in Instant Ink and the printer unexpectedly stops printing, follow the steps in this video to fix the issue. This problem is often accompanied by a connection issue or unknown status error message in the HP Smart app or on the printer control panel. The message might state something like, "Can't print, connect to the internet to continue printing with HP Instant Ink cartridges." Connection problem. Printer not connected to the internet. Printer status unknown. Cartridge problem. Or the indicated cartridge not communicating with the printer. HP Plus printers and printers enrolled in Instant Ink require an active internet connection for web services to function properly. Web services uses the internet to enable communication between your printer and web-connected features such as security, ink level, and page count monitoring. Disconnecting your printer from the internet for an extended period of time or using a USB-only connection can temporarily limit what the printer can do until the internet connection is restored. After each step in this video, try to use the printer again. If you are still experiencing the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Remove and reinsert the ink cartridges. Removing and reinserting the ink cartridges ensures that the cartridges are seated properly in the printer. Turn on the printer and then open the door or lid to the cartridge access area. Wait until the carriage is idle and silent before continuing. Push the ink cartridge to remove it, and then push it back into its slot until it snaps into place. Repeat these steps to remove and reinsert the other cartridges. Close the door or lid to the cartridge access area. Step 2. Update the printer firmware. HP regularly releases new firmware versions with printer enhancements or issue fixes. Update the firmware on a regular basis to make sure you are getting the most out of your printer. Caution: do not turn off the printer during a firmware update. This can permanently damage your printer. Many HP printers with touchscreen control panel menus can install updates directly from HP. Updating the firmware this way varies by printer model. For most touchscreen printer models, touch the setup icon, touch printer maintenance, touch update printer, and then touch check now. Any new updates automatically install. To update the firmware from the HP Smart app, click the image of your printer on the home screen. Click Advanced Settings to go to the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. Click the Printer Update tile or click Printer Updates under Manage, and then click Check Now. Any new updates automatically install. To update the firmware from the HP website, go to support.hp.com. Select Software and Drivers. Select Printer, and then enter your printer model in the search field. Click Download next to any updates listed under Firmware, and then open and follow the HP Printer Update prompts to update the firmware. Step 3. Check your network status. Check to make sure that your wireless network is functioning properly. If other devices are having difficulty connecting to your network, you might need to reset the network. This process varies depending on your specific network setup. Your computer or mobile device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network to use HP Plus and Instant Ink. On your computer or mobile device, open the list of available networks to verify that it is connected to the correct network. On your printer, check the wireless light on the control panel. If it is solid blue, the printer is connected. Step 4. Check the printer status in the HP Smart app. Checking the printer connection status can inform you more about what specific issue you are experiencing. Open the HP Smart app, and then make sure you are signed into your account. If you have multiple printers connected, scroll to your printer and check the printer status icon next to the printer image. It might take a few minutes before the app displays the current printer status. A green circle icon indicates that your printer is connected to your device and ready to print. A green cloud icon indicates that your printer is connected to your device over the internet because they are on different network connections. Only remote features are available, such as the Print Anywhere feature and certain printer settings. To access all printer functions, make sure your device and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. An orange cloud icon indicates that your HP Plus printer is connected to your device with a USB-only connection and the printer functionality is limited. To restore HP Plus or Instant Ink services, disconnect the USB cable and then reconnect the printer to the internet. You might need to remove your printer from the HP Smart app and then set it up again over the internet. HP Plus and Instant Ink enrolled printers must maintain an internet connection. Disconnecting the printer from the internet or using a USB-only connection can prevent the printer from functioning properly. A black circle icon indicates that your printer is not connected to your device. To reconnect the printer, make sure the Wi-Fi icon is solid blue on the printer control panel. A yellow triangle icon or a red circle icon indicates that your printer is connected to your device, but it needs attention before it can print. For example, the message might say align the print heads, out of paper, or printer door open. Once the maintenance is completed, the icon will refresh. If you want to recheck the printer connection status, tap the image of your printer, tap printer information, and then tap the refresh icon next to status. Step 5. Check the web services connection. Web services uses the internet to enable communication between your printer and its web-connected features, such as Print Anywhere and Instant Ink. Checking the status of the connection can inform you more about what specific issue you are experiencing. On the HP Smart app, click the image of your printer to open the Settings and Management tools, and then click Advanced Settings under Settings. From the printer homepage, click the Web Services tab. If you are prompted to log in or enter the printer PIN, enter the PIN from the printer label and then click either Submit or OK. This label is typically located inside the cartridge access area or printer door. Make sure Web Services is enabled. If a Web Services setup page displays, click Continue or Enable, and then follow the prompts to turn it on. If a Web Services summary page displays, check the Internet connection status. If the Internet connection status displays as connected, continue to the next step in this video. If the Internet connection status displays as disconnected, continue with this step. Disconnect any USB cables from the printer if there is one connected. From the embedded web server, click the Network tab, and then click Wireless 802.11. Select Wireless Setup Wizard, and then click Next on the Welcome page. Follow the prompts to select your network and connect your printer. Step 6. Reset the web services connection. Resetting the web services connection can clear any server connection issues or errors. On the HP Smart app, click the image of your printer to open the Settings and Management tools, and then click Advanced Settings under Settings. From the printer homepage, click the Web Services tab. If you are prompted to log in or enter the printer PIN, enter the PIN from the printer label, and then click either Submit or OK. This label is typically located inside the cartridge access area or printer door. Under Web Services settings, depending on your printer, click either Remove Web Services or Reset Web Services. If you clicked Reset Web Services, click Reset. If this does not fix the issue, continue to the next step in this video. If you clicked Remove Web Services, click Yes, and then continue with this step. When the Web Services setup page displays, click Continue or Enable, and then follow the instructions to turn it back on. Step 7. Check the HP Smart Account dashboard. Opening your HP Smart Account dashboard to check the printer connection and status can inform you more about what specific issue you are experiencing. From the HP Smart app home screen, click the account icon or the icon with your initials, and then click Manage HP Account. From the account dashboard, click Printers for HP Plus printers or click HP Instant Ink and then click Overview. Check the printer status under the printer name. If Ready to Print displays with a green circle icon, your connection status is good. If Ready to Print displays with a gray circle icon, turn the printer off and then back on to reset the connection. If not ready to print or unable to print displays with a red circle icon, click the refresh icon in the top right corner to check the printer status again. Refresh the connection up to 5 times to see if it changes. Step 8. Contact HP Customer Support. If none of the steps in this video have helped restore printing capability for your HP Plus or Instant Ink enrolled printer, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact.